Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, Casual Chef beef tacos and Cowboy slaw. The morning mise en place. The mise en place for the adobo sauce. All the goodies for the adobo sauce. Everything in the food processor after being pulsed and pulsed and pulsed. And here's the finished adobo sauce. Here's the mise en place for the slaw. All the veggies and goodies in the bowl. The mise en place for the sauce or dressing. Everything in the bowl ready to be mixed. The finished dressing. And they're getting ready to get together. And here's the finished Cowboy slaw. The evening mise en place for the tacos. Heating up some oil in the saute pan. Breaking up the ground beef and starting to brown it. I add the spice blends. And then I add some adobo sauce. Get it mixed in. Here's the finished ground beef. The assembly area for the tacos. Here's the finished tacos. Here's the finished adobo sauce again. The finished Cowboy slaw. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.